Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cupcakes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line your muffin tin with paper liners. Having everything ready before you start makes the baking process much smoother and more enjoyable. This preparation ensures a successful and tasty outcome for your homemade treats. Now let's create that perfect cupcake batter. Begin by creaming together your softened butter and sugar until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Then beat in your eggs, one by one, making sure each is fully mixed before adding the next. In a separate bowl, whisk your dry ingredients. Finally, alternate adding the dry mixture and milk to your wet ingredients, mixing until just combined for a smooth batter. It's time to bake. Carefully fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 full with your delicious batter. Place them in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 18 to 22 minutes. You'll know they are done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool in the muffin tin for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Patience here ensures perfect cupcakes. Finally, the fun part, frosting and decorating. Make sure your cupcakes are completely cool before you even think about frosting them. This prevents melting. You can use your favorite homemade buttercream or a convenient store-bought option. Apply the frosting with a piping bag for a fancy swirl or an offset spatula for a smooth finish. Don't forget to add sprinkles, edible glitter, or fresh fruit for that extra special touch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.